Hello everyone, my name is V. Skutser and this is my teaching philosophy. Teach everybody like a somebody. It consists of four principles for educators. The first one is treat all the students with respect, have sympathy for the learners' circumstances and feelings, always act of kindness, and motivate students to the best version of themselves. Education from our president Nelson Mandela, it also states that education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. And the type of assessment strategies for teachers to use according to, we use assessments to track the progress of learners in the classroom. The strategies we use help us to measure and see if we can move on to the next level of learning. I feel it is important to use more than one strategy to see which strategy is most successful in your classroom. In the history of teaching, teachers use class tests and exams, but I'm here to tell you that this is old school and I'm in for the new. This is how I will assess my learners, quizzes, and the use of polls. This will help by giving the standards in a poll. It is quick, efficient, and easy to summarize. I will use interviews of groups of students. They will be able to work as a team to present me an answer. Uh, for example, things that you can use for assessments, um, reflective writing, presentations, posters, and drama pieces. In the CAPS, there are a POA that is my theoretical framework for assessment. It shows me what topics to do, assignments about, what type of questions should be involved, the marker location, and what types of assessments should be completed. Thank you very much.